Hello student. Today we are going for the electric field due to dipole, and due to dipole electric field can be calculated at 3 points. One is at the center of the dipole, second is at the axial point or axial line due to dipole, and last one is equatorial point. So first we calculate uh, electric field due to dipole at its center. Okay student, so a dipole AB having the separation distance 2L, let this is a point O which is at the center of this dipole, having the distance from A to O is L and from O to B is also L. Therefore this is the positive charge and this is the negative charge, and we are putting here at point O a small positive charge so that we are calculating dipole at point O. Therefore consider a dipole made by plus q and minus q charge apart a small distance to L. Due to dipole at point O, electric field is required to calculate. So student, electric field at O due to plus q charge is E plus q is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught plus q upon L square, because we are calculating electric field due to point charge is E is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q upon r square, where r is the distance at where we need to calculate the electric field due to a point charge. Similarly here plus q charge is point charge and O is the point at where we need to calculate. The distance of A to O is L, so we are using in place of r square L square. Here student, the direction of electric field is we observing, because both are positive charges, so positive charge, the direction of electric field plus q is from positive charge to negative charge. We are using here direction toward plus 2 minus q. Okay, now electric field at O due to minus q charge. Here student, we are calculating electric field due to minus q charge is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught minus q upon L square, because the distance O to B is also L, but direction, what we find the direction, minus q charge is applying a force of attraction toward B on this, so electric field at O due to minus q charge is also in the direction from plus q to minus q. So we are applying the direction toward plus q to minus q charge. So because electric field a vector quantity, so we are adding the two as using direction. Therefore net electric field at O, we are calculating this value. E is equal to E plus Q plus E minus Q, and the value is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon L square and plus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon L square. By adding, we get the 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 2q upon L square. This is electric field at the center of the dipole, having direction towards plus q to minus q. Copy this student. Okay, now we are going to calculate the direction electric field at electric field at axial line due to dipole. Okay student, electric field due to dipole at axial line. Here we have a dipole AB made by the plus q charge and minus q charge, and O is the center of the dipole. The separation distance of dipole is 2L, and from the center A to O is L, O to B is also L, and we are putting Q naught charge at point P, where point P is R distance from the center of the dipole. Now we are going to calculate the electric field due to dipole first for plus Q charge. So distance from A to P is R plus L, and the distance from B to Q is R minus L. It is clear student? So first we are using to understood about the dipole which is using here in journal. Consider a dipole of dipole moment vector P from center O at r distance a point P where electric field is calculated due to dipole. Therefore, E1 or electric field at P due to plus Q charge is E plus Q is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught plus Q upon AP square. This value is comes to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught plus Q upon R plus L square. This is equation first. And electric field at P due to minus Q charge is E minus Q is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught minus Q upon dP, that is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught minus Q upon R minus L whole square. Okay student, this is equation second. 1 minute. Okay. Now we are calculating the net electric field at point P. Therefore, net electric field at P due to dipole, that is E is equal to E plus Q plus E minus Q. By putting here student, it is observed that this value and Q, this value and Q is common from the two values, so we are using as common 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught, and in the bracket we are getting 1 upon R minus L whole square, and because this minus 1 upon R plus L whole square. Okay student, now we are taking LCM of the denominator. In the bracket we are getting Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught R plus L whole square minus R minus L whole square, and in denominator R plus L whole square R minus L whole square. By calculating it, we are getting Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught in the bracket R square plus L square plus 2RL, and minus in bracket we getting R square plus L square plus 2RL, and in the denominator student, here it is R plus L and R minus L. We are using the identity r square minus l square to the power whole square. So when this minus is multiplying inside the bracket, so it will change the sign of r, positive to negative, l positive to negative, and 2rl negative to positive. So we are getting this is cancelled by this negative r, this is cancelled by this negative r, and we have the value q upon 4 pi epsilon naught 2rl plus 2rl upon r square minus l square whole square. On solving we get q upon 4 pi epsilon naught 4rl upon r square minus l square whole square. Here student we are reducing it in the form q into 2l 2r upon 4 pi epsilon naught r square minus l square to whole square. Here student we know this value is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 2pr upon r square plus minus l square to the power square. Here student we are using in place q into 2l is equal to p because of dipole moment. Now we getting 4 pi epsilon naught 2pr upon r to the power 4, and this 4 cancel by 3 times because r square is very greater than l, so l square is ignored from the calculation. Therefore we are getting the electric field at axial line is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 2p upon r cube. This is the value of electric field due to dipole at axial line. Copy this student. Now we are understanding by the direction. For positive charge, the plus q charge is repelling, so electric field in the direction towards direction toward plus q to minus q. Okay student, and here positive charge is attracting it, E minus attracting, direction towards minus 2 plus. So we are finding the direction of the dipole at point P due to dipole is opposite to each other. Now we are going to the resultant direction for this electric field. So student, we are very clear the value of dipole is related to the square of the distance. So the charge is which charge is larger distance from the point P, the electric field is less than comparison to the charge near to the point P. So electric field minus Q charge is greater than plus Q charge. Therefore, the resultant direction of the electric field due to dipole at axial point is towards minus Q to positive charge. Toward, right here, the direction also. Direction toward minus Q to plus Q, or we call along the direction of dipole moment. Complete it, student. Okay, now we are calculating the electric field due to dipole at equatorial point. Okay, student. So first we are forming the dipole AB of separation distance 2L. From the center a perpendicular line is drawn which is known as its equatorial line. So by using Pythagoras theorem we are calculating the distance from A to P r square plus L square and B to P r square plus L square in the under root. Okay, now we need to calculate the electric field due to this dipole AB at point E. So electric field at point P due to positive charge we are calculating, this value is equal to this. So we are using electric field due to positive charge 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon R square plus L square. Similarly, we are calculating the electric field due to the negative charge at point P, that is E minus Q is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught minus Q upon Bp square, the distance from minus Q to plus Q. Here is plus Q charge and here is minus Q charge. So we are calculating this is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught minus Q upon R square plus L square. Here student, it is observed that the value of electric field due to plus Q charge and electric field due to minus Q charge is equal and opposite in direction. So if we are adding directly then they cancel. So for adding the two values of electric field we are using or we are taking the help of vector resolution. We are now deplete the electric field at point P due to the positive charge and due to the negative charge at point P by using the vector rule. So we are getting here electric field due to the positive charge is in this direction or in this direction and due to the negative charge in opposite direction. So for the angle theta we are replacing the electric field in the vertical and the horizontal component. The vertical component from the 90 degree to this is angle theta and this is angle theta. Therefore this is the vertical component, that is E plus sine theta, and for the negative charge E minus sine theta. Here student, it is very clear the value of electric field due to the positive charge and electric charge negative charge is equal but in opposite direction, so they cancel each other. Therefore the electric field due to the positive charge horizontal component is E cos theta and the negative charge horizontal component E minus theta. We are getting these two are adding in such a way. So we are writing first for adding electric field due to positive charge and electric field due to negative charge by resolving electric field at point E P in vector in vertical and horizontal components. We getting the vertical component of electric field E sin theta is cancelled due to equal magnitude but opposite in direction. Therefore, we are finding the net electric field due to point P at point P is equal to the sum of horizontal components. That is we are calculating it. Electric field at P is equal to 2E cos theta. Here E is using any of the value, equation first or second. So we are calculating 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 2 Q upon R square plus L square cos theta. Now student, we need to calculate the value of cos theta from the triangle APO or BPO by using the Pythagoras theorem. So we are calculating this value here. Cos theta is equal to, we have the angle this we have the angle, therefore this value is equal to L upon this, base upon hypotenuse. So we are using L upon under root R square plus L square to the power 1 by 2. Now student, this value A is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 2Q R square plus L square L upon R square plus L square to the power 1 by 2. By solving it, here student, we are getting here the product of 2Q into L is P. So 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught P upon R square plus L square 2 plus 1 by 2 by adding the power of the base. So 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught P upon R square plus L square to the power 3 by 2. Here student, electric field at equatorial 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught P upon R cube, because we are using here square and then 3 by 2, because R square is very greater than L square, so it is cancelled. So this also cancel. So इक्वेटोरियल पे जो वैल्यू होती है इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड की, डेट इज P अपॉन R क्यूब. So complete it student. So this is the we are completing here the three application of electric field due to dipole of dipole. One is torque on dipole, second is potential energy of dipole or work done on dipole to rotating or align it into the electric field or direction of electric field, and the last application is electric field due to dipole at several points. In the next class we are drawing or driving a formula for the general point and for a ring, electric field for a ring. So student, we are stopping here. Thank you.